Do you need to promote your product or service in a special way without spending too much money? You can make a stellar professional impression without breaking your bank. How? The answer is that you need a great video explainer. What's that? A video explainer is a short 1 or 2 minute video that's created to market your product or service online. In 1 or 2 short minutes, a video explainer can make a powerful impression for people to learn about your product or company. It can be seen by many people as an effective way of marketing. Businesses need clever ways to stay on top, so a well-designed video explainer may be exactly what you're looking for to kick your company's marketing to the next level. A compelling video explainer can drive traffic to your website or be an effective educational tool. Whatever you need it for, purchase this gig, and I will create an original video explainer for you that people pay attention to. Take the next step and order this gig right now. This gig is available exclusively on FIVERR.